Hi, everybody. My name is Emily Kintzer. I have been in education for 12 years now. I started my career teaching internationally in Monterrey, Mexico at an international school. And then I was hired in Madison, Wisconsin, in Jefferson Middle School, taught there and was the behavior coach there for a while, and then took a year off when I had my second child. So I've got two kids, Daniela and Harvey. And then I went back into education after a year um, at a different Madison middle school, teaching English and ESL at O'Keefe. And then I also became the behavior coach there. And finally, my current role is as the curriculum coordinator in Monona Grove School District. So I'm loving that new role. It's a cool chance to help um, work on some of the systems level work and set structures in place to make teachers' lives hopefully easier and everything more productive. So that is kind of my current situation. I'm getting this additional license because I am interested in educational leadership and helping set the direction um, of our schools and school systems, especially with a focus on equity. And I really just believe that curriculum is a vehicle for engagement and for more equitable practices. And so I'm just super pumped to be in the role that I'm in currently. Um, just a little bit about me generally. I love to travel. I love to play sports. Um, I love to read, and I love to just spend time, playing outside with my kids. So I look forward to meeting everyone, and I'll see you soon.